Hello, this is Tracy, your local realtor. Have you ever been tired of those 60, 70-year-old homes in the South Bay? Yes, most of the single-family homes here were built in 1960s, 1950s, even 1940s. Today, I'm going to show you a single-family home that was built in 2005. And it's in Sunnyvale. Yes, you heard it right. 94078. Great school district. And with a generous sized backyard. And priced very well. So, come with me and take a look. Alright, this is the outside of the home just to give you a rough idea how it looks like. And let's walk inside. Alright, here we are. Let's open the door. It looks really new. So this is the living room with the high ceiling, and that's the dining area. On my left hand side, that's the coat rack. You can put your coat here and keep walking. On my right hand side, that's a powder room. It has the toilet behind here. Okay, keep walking. That's the kitchen. Very spacious kitchen and newly renovated with the waterfall style countertop. And comes with the beloved brand. A lot of Chinese people like this brand because it has very strong power. So here there's a family room area. And this is the backyard. Let me open the door. See, it's a very well-sized backyard. You don't often see this sized backyard in single-family home built after 2000. So there is not too much yard work for you to do, but you still got a chance to enjoy the beautiful California sunshine. All right, now I forgot to mention, here is the garage. Very spacious two-car side-by-side garage. And there's a washer and dryer. Now let's go back to the entry and go to the second floor. All right, let's first take a right. So this is the master bedroom, very spacious. There is the walk-in closet. That's a very big window. Gives you lots of natural sunlight. And here is the bathroom. Dual sink. There's a bathtub. And there's toilet with window. Let's get out. On my right hand side, there's the second bathroom on the second floor. Here are two bedrooms on this side. Both are generous sized and also with high ceiling. So that's the tour. What do you think? This home offers 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, and over 1,500 square foot living space on a over 3,300 square foot lot. Currently is listed a little below 2.2 million. In my opinion, I think it's well priced. What do you think? And what are other homes you want me to tour? Leave a comment below and I'll see you next time. I'm Tracy, your local realtor. Bye.